Hey, what's up? Joe Robert here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can start a profitable print-on-demand Shopify store with less than $500 per month. We'll jump right into it right after this. Alright guys, so like I said, today we're going to be discussing a little strategy that you can use to launch a profitable print-on-demand store with less than $500 per month. Basically, in this video, we're going to be first walking through the 5 things that you should be spending money on, and then I'm also going to show you a simple Facebook ad strategy that you can use if you are on a budget. So a lot of times people ask me when they are starting print-on-demand, they say something like, "Hey Joe Robert, what should I be even spending money on?" Or how much budget should I have if I want to be successful with this business model? I have on the screen right now 8 things that you could potentially spend money on with a print-on-demand business. However, some of them are not super important and I don't recommend spending on them, especially if you are just starting. So the ones that we're going to be talking about are on the screen right now. The first one is your Shopify plan. The second one is your domain name. The third one is your print-on-demand designs. The fourth one is some training. And then the fifth one is Facebook ads, right? So all of these things together, we're going to be able to do it for under $500 per month. Before we jump into the video, I just want to share 2 quick updates for the channel. The first update is that the POD Ninjas Facebook group has just reached 12,000 members. So if you guys are looking for a print-on-demand community on Facebook and you want to come join us and see some exclusive print-on-demand content and also interact with over 12,000 other Shopify store owners, come check out the group. The link is down in the description. The second update is that the next One Product Away challenge is going to be starting very soon. So if you guys want to work with me for 14 days and learn how to select a winning niche, find a profitable print-on-demand product, and learn how to make winning print-on-demand designs, you got to come check out the challenge. We're going to be starting very soon. The link is down in the description. And if you guys want to win a coaching call with me, if you want to jump on a call with me to discuss your print-on-demand brand, your Facebook ads, or whatever it is that you are struggling with, just simply comment on this video. Tell me what type of print-on-demand product you are trying to sell. I will pick a winner at random and I will announce the winner on my next video. So like I said, if you want to win a coaching call with me, just simply comment on this video. I'll pick a winner at random and I will announce it on my next upload. All right, so obviously a Shopify store is going to cost you money to run. You are going to have to get yourself a Shopify plan and also a domain name. This is going to cost you about $30 per month because a Shopify store costs you just $29 per month, and you can get a domain name from GoDaddy.com and that will cost you about $10 for the year. The second thing that you might have to spend money on is print-on-demand designs. So if you are on a super tight budget, you can definitely make your own designs. Although, if you are not a designer, I don't recommend this because the odds of you creating something that is actually going to look good are probably pretty slim. If, however, you do decide to make your own print-on-demand designs, there are 3 resources that I really want to point out to you that you can use that will help you to make better designs. The first one is nounproject.com. This is a really cool website where you can basically search for any type of icon here and just type something in, and you can see a whole bunch of icons that pop up. These are free to use, so if you guys do find something that you want to use in one of your designs, you can simply download it and then put it on your design. The second resource that you should be using if you are making your own designs is thefont.com. This is a really cool website that basically just has a ton of awesome fonts in here. You can see all the categories up at the top. And if you are making any design that has any sort of text in it, you should definitely be using a cool font like some of the ones on thefont.com. The third resource that you should be using is either Photopea or Canva. If you guys want to use a free design software, these are the 2 ones that I recommend. Photopea is just like Adobe Photoshop, except it is browser-based. You guys can see it on the screen right now. Really simple software to use. You simply go to photopea.com and you can just instantly start creating designs. The other software that I recommend is called Canva, and you guys can try it for free for 30 days. Simply just go to canva.com and start your free trial. Another thing you can do is if you want to get free print-on-demand designs is you can install the Printify app. Printify is actually the official app of podninjas.com, and they have a ton of free designs in here. I'm inside of the Printify app right now taking a look at them, and you guys can see that there is a ton of different options in here for free print-on-demand designs. If you guys want to check it out, there's a link down in the description. I also have worked out a deal with Printify to give you guys a free month of a Printify premium account. So if you guys want to claim that free month of the premium account, which will save you 20% on every single order, just use code NINJA50 in your payment section of the Printify app and you'll get that free month. Please note though that the code is all caps, so if you do it in lowercase letters, it's not going to work. Make sure to capitalize every single letter in the word ninja, and then add the number 50 after it, and you'll get that free month. However, if you do not want to make your own designs, you need to hire a professional designer. There are a few places that you can get a great print-on-demand designer from. The first one would be Fiverr, second one would be Upwork, and while these two options can definitely allow you to find someone who is great at making designs, I have seen a lot of people get scammed, seen a lot of people get really bad designs made and have to spend way too much money on them, and overall, I don't fully recommend these two services, although they are available, and if you want to check them out, you can. The service that I recommend is one that I actually created. It's called Designed by Ninjas, and basically what this service is it's a platform that is going to connect you to a team of talented print-on-demand designers. Simply just go to designedbyninjas.com for all of the info. The link will be down in the description. Like I said, you can get yourself a really professional designer who specializes in print-on-demand designs, and we guarantee every single design, so you're never going to get scammed, no one's ever going to run away with your money, and we offer unlimited revisions. So if you guys want to check it out, like I said, the link is down in the description. All right guys, and the fourth thing that you should be spending money on if you're starting a print-on-demand store is training. Now, why should you even spend money on training, right? The same reason that Fortune 500 companies pay people to train their employees, because it's simply easier, right? It's a shortcut instead of learning it yourself. I bring up training on this video because the next One Product Away challenge is going to be starting soon. If you guys want to work with me for 14 days and learn all of the strategies that I am using to find winning print-on-demand niches, how I select products that are perfect for my niche and are also high margin, and if you also want to see a ton of the winning designs that I've sold in the past and also get some really in-depth training on how you can go about creating winning designs for your niches, that we're going to be starting the next round of the print-on-demand challenge very soon. So if you want to come join and you want to work with me for 14 days, the link is down in the description. All right, so if we do all of that, right, we're going to be spending the $30 on the domain and the Shopify plan. We're then going to be spending about $100 on our print-on-demand designs. And then if you decide to get some training, that is going to cost you $100. So we are at a total of $230. Like I said, I wanted to teach you guys a strategy where you could create a profitable print-on-demand store for less than $500 a month. And if we are using that as our budget, we will have about $270 left over. What I want to do now is show you a strategy using Facebook ads where it's going to cost you about $250. So basically what you're going to do is you are going to build your 5 Facebook audiences, and we're going to assume that we are testing 5 different designs. Okay, so when you launch those tests, you're going to use a $1 daily budget for each audience, and anything that passes, we are going to bring it to a conversion campaign. The way we're going to do this is with what's called a PPE test. This is something that is using the engagement objective inside of your Facebook Ads Manager. We're going to set it to a $1 daily budget, and the criteria that we're looking for in order to find a winning test is simply less than a 5-cent cost per engagement and something that is greater than 20% for our unique CTR. You can simply just add these metrics to your Facebook ad columns, and you can easily track the progress. And like I said, you can just use a $1 daily budget, and that's going to give you all the information that you need to know. If you are testing 5 print-on-demand designs, like I said, if you're using just a $1 daily budget and you have 5 audiences for each design, that's going to cost you just $25 for the test for all of those designs. From there, you're going to have $225 left over, because remember, like I said, we wanted to spend $250 on our entire Facebook ad strategy for the month. And now from here, basically what you can do is you can either spend $10 per day on the rest of the ads, or you could spend $20 per day for 10 days. What you're going to do is after your PPE test, you're going to set up a conversion campaign using the conversion objective. Like I said before, either $5 a day for 20 days or $10 per day for 20 days. You're going to want to use an image or a video that is different than the ad that you used during your test. And then once you start running the ad, you're going to want to make sure that your cost per link click is less than $2. If you're getting a cost per link click that is less than $2, you're going to ensure that your ad is generating traffic to your store at a cost that is going to be sustainable for the entire month. Obviously, there is a little bit more to it than that. Basically, what I'm trying to do is make you aware that print on demand can work with any budget, right? I simply just walked you through a way that you can do it. And if your budget is less than the $500 that I said, maybe you skip getting professional designs made, right? Maybe you use the designs inside of the print on demand app that I showed you. Maybe you try to make them yourself, right? Or maybe even just test less designs per month. So hopefully you guys got something out of this video. Please let me know down in the comments if you have any questions. My name is Joe Robert. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys later.